Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create account on Google Authenticator. First of all, you can download the Google Authenticator app in the App Store or Play Store, and after downloading you can open the app, and here you can see this type of interface. You can now tap on get started, and after this you can continue as your account, and after this you can just simply add a code, and after this you can now tap on enter a setup key. You can just simply go to the Instagram two-factor authentication, and here you can just simply copy key, and after copy the key you can go back to the authenticator app again, and here you can now first mention account name. I can write IG, and after this you can paste a key that you copy, and after this you can now tap on add, and it is a way you can create account on Google Authenticator. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.